How to make a dynamic graph in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a dynamic graph right inside Notion using a simple external tool. Just make sure to stick with me till the end so you don't miss any steps. Alright, let's get into it. So first up, we're going to be using a tool called Chartbase. It's super helpful and works great with Notion. Open up your browser and search for Chartbase or go directly to their site. Once you land on the dashboard, you'll see a clean and simple interface. Look for the Create Chart button and click on it. That's where the magic starts. Now you'll need to pick the type of chart you want. You'll see options like line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, all the usual suspects. Just choose whichever one fits the kind of data you want to show and then hit Next. Next up, you'll be asked to select the Notion database you want to visualize. Chartbase is designed to work seamlessly with Notion, so your connected tables should appear there automatically. Pick the one that has the data you want to graph and click Next again. Now this part's important. You'll be selecting your X and Y axis. Think of the X axis as your category or timeline and the Y axis as the value or number that changes. For example, if you're tracking daily tasks completed, the X axis might be the date and the Y axis is the number of tasks. Just choose your fields wisely based on what you're trying to show. Once that's done, go ahead and click Create Chart. That's it, your chart is now generated, but we're not stopping here. To get this into Notion, look for the Get Embed link button. Click it and then hit Copy to copy the embed link. Now switch over to Notion. Open up the page where you want your graph to appear. You can paste the embed link by clicking in any empty area and hitting Ctrl+B. A little pop-up will appear. Click on Embed Link and boom, your dynamic graph will load right there on your Notion page. The best part? These graphs update automatically as your Notion data changes, so you can keep your dashboards or reports looking fresh without constantly updating anything manually. And that's all there is to it. You've now got a live, dynamic graph in Notion. Feel free to try out different types of charts and see what looks best with your data. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.